The Secretary General of the Swaziland Cycling Association, Menzi, Tsela, says local cyclists are now ready to represent the country internationally. Tsela revealed this in an interview with Swazi TV.
Following a successful year of the 2016 on the cycling calendar, the Secretary General of the Swaziland Cycling Association, Menzi, Tsela, says from next year, the association is looking ahead in ensuring that cyclists represent the nation in world competitions. Tsela says, based on the performance this year, they are ready.
If I can give an example, the MTN Kemani road race is one race that attracts about five professional teams from South Africa. Swazi was ranked in the top 10, and interestingly, he's a junior cyclist. So one can safely say, if clubs continue to perhaps invest in the manner they have been investing in development, as a country, come 2022, we will leave a mark at the Commonwealth Games.
Tsela also elaborated on the financial budget of this year, which raised up to 100,000 marangeni from the budget used in 2015.
Last year, roughly, we spent slightly over 300,000, if I'm correct. And as we speak now, our budget is between 300,000 and 350,000. This is because the activity level has risen from competition, administration, and with social responsibility.
He concluded thanking government and sponsors for always meeting the association at the point of its need. For Swazi TV Sports, Fabrice Musona, Swaziland Mabuza, Mbabane.